Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. What do we have today? Well, we have the new Toyota Tacoma, and we did a Revolver X4TS. That's right, the one with the T-slots on it. Now, as you know, we've been doing a lot of these covers on a lot of different trucks. I'm not quite sure if we've done the Tacoma yet, so I'm looking forward to showing you that. But before we get started, if you have questions, you can always ask me online. I'm on the computer more than I used to be, so I'm actually answering more of those. I know I keep telling you, don't ask me online, but I'm trying to get to it quicker than before, because you know I have 4,000 videos, and every morning I'm sitting there for an hour going over all the questions. So, but if you have a question you want a quick answer, best thing to do, call the store. We'll be able, and plus we can ask you questions to make sure whatever you're looking for, we're making sure we get you the right thing. We're very knowledgeable about all the different trucks. I know a lot of places you call and they're kind of knowledgeable, and they might send you the wrong thing, and then it's just a big headache. Best thing, call us. We'll get you the right product. So that being said, come on over here. By the way, Buddy, our master tech, is behind the camera here. And again, this is the Bak Revolver X4TS. That's for the T slot here. And again, this is on a 25 Toyota Tacoma. Now this is the double cab with the 5-foot bed. So before I go into it, show you how it works, let's go ahead and get a good look how it is. Now there's a little shadow on here, so it is all one color, but the sun's hitting kind of funky. This holds 400 pounds. Now it comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty from Bak Industries. Now we are signed up for the double the warranty program, so if we install it for you, you will get 5 additional years. So it's not 5, it's now 10. So very good. We also put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we do. Now this guest is actually probably will never have a chance to talk to him in person. He lives in the islands, and this is going to be shipped out to, I believe it's Jamaica. So if you're watching this video, we enjoyed working on your truck, and hopefully this video will show you how to operate your cover as well. So I'll show you the same things in the video I showed you in person. So let's go here and take a look here. Before I get started, I want you to take a look how super tight this is here. Now, why is that good? It's the tighter it is, the better it is for water. Now, real important, nothing is waterproof. I have people all the time, hey, is it waterproof? Can keep every drop of water out? No, none of these are waterproof. Now, on the installation here, I'll tell you, if we do this for you, we're going to do these things I'm telling you about. If you buy it from us and we ship it to you, there is some things that you need to know. This is a little trickier on this truck versus some of the other trucks on installation. Plus, you're going to have to add a little extra waterproofing. Like, for example, in the corners here, there's a lot of gaps underneath here. We filled it all in. We added extra foam on the rails. We did a lot of extra foam. Is it going to make it waterproof? No, it's not. But we're doing as much as we can to make Mother Nature not get into your bed. Now, if you buy this from us, we will tell you that some of the things you're going to need to know. Because you get in here, you're going to say, hey, this is not fitting as well as I like. We know that the little tricks that make it fit better. So that being said, again, you got a good look on how it looks on the truck. And it's working good and looking good, go hand in hand. Now, this, of course, Toyota has that really cool little thing here. There we go. Now, as you can see, the cover does work with the tailgate from Toyota. So now you do have a left and right. There we go. Sorry, a little tough there. Little left and right release mechanism here. And why is it good to have two? I know a lot of them just have the driver's side. They do not have the passenger side. Well, if you're pulling off to the side of the road and you got a lot of traffic this way, you might want to walk around the other side where it's a lot safer. Now, this is, of course, brand new, so they're a little sticky when they're new. Now, when you go to close it, you always want to go ahead and push both sides. And again, when you go release it, it's a little tight, but it's okay. It'll break in a little bit more as we go here. Now, if you look here, you'll see there is this little rubber thing here. That is actually for your hands. Because let's say you have it open all day and it's sitting in the sun. It is aluminum, so it's metal. It can get hot. So you put your hand on here and not on here. It'll be more comfortable for you. Now, before I go and open this up, I want to show you a feature that is unique to this cover and this cover only. I'm sure they have a patent. If you look over here, you'll see, I'm going to push this down here. This is your lock, and when this closes, this here locks the entire track. So you'll see little grooves right here. When this is laying flat, those grooves are straight, and this will lock both sides, the entire track. So instead of having just 1 or 2 little spots here and there, you have one large lock. No one else is doing that. I mean, again, I'm pretty sure they got a patent on it. And I know a lot of the other companies, they use a Velcro, which is not bad. This is better. A lot of times people is like, why is this a little bit more? Well, they got a few things on here like the lock that's unique to this particular truck here. So I like that a lot. So as we roll this up here, let's go ahead and, as you can see, it's not too hard to roll it up. Now, when it's up here, if you notice, the camera is not being blocked, and I know it's very important. Also, you can still see out your rear window. You can even open the rear window in here. Now, if you look on here, there's a little strap here. This comes around here. Now, there's one for each side here. So I'm going to loosen up a little bit. And it kind of goes in there, I just kind of turn it. See, it's really simple. You go right in there, you go. And then once you get it in there, you pull the strap, and that's gonna keep it from going anywhere. So again, you got both sides. You do want to do both sides. I see a lot of people driving down the road with just one side. Yes, it does hold it, but it's better to do both sides. Now, if you look inside here, now remember I told you it's a little trickier for the installation because this is a double rail system. Most of these are going to be one single rail that attaches to the bed cap. This one requires a rail to go in first, and then that attaches to that. So, and I had to change out some of the hardware because it just didn't fit as good as it could. Luckily for me, I have everything I need in my shop. If I'm missing this, I got the parts. So I was able to change out the hardware to fit better, and that solved a lot of the problems I was having. So if you have this cover and you're putting this on, if you purchase it from me, I will tell you how to make it all work. If you didn't buy it from me, I am sorry. You chose not to include me with your transaction. I cannot help you. So please do yourself a favor, buy it from us. We got a bunch of techs here who can walk you through. A buddy who, again, knows how this works. I know how it works. We're all here to help you. We're here to help our customers and be our customers so we can help you out. So again, let's go ahead and close it up here. Pretty straightforward. It goes in here. Again, when you go to the end here, you always want to kind of push it down on both sides here. What happens if you push one side, sometimes the other side does not close correctly. So, and again, let's go ahead and, I do like this new tailgate thing. One thing you notice when it closes, I want you to notice how super tight this fit is. I mean, look at that. Now the customer's going to be very happy on this fit. Like I said, I actually did this cover myself, and put a little, and Buddy will tell you, I put a little extra effort onto this. Now Buddy did a few other things which we're going to show you in a few minutes. But again, if you like this cover, we can ship it anywhere in the country. If you having problems with the installation, because I guarantee if you call Real Truck, they're probably not going to quite know what to do, even though it's their product. So it's best to buy it from us, so I can help you with it. Buddy can help you with it. Again, I'm Chris, and this is the Bak Revolver X4TS, that's what the T slots, and this is the 25 Toyota Tacoma. And don't forget, hit that like button. We do appreciate, we're a family-owned business, and that really helps us out. And subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all this great product. Thank you.